What's up with the lovers? It's your girl Zoe. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, what's up, what's popping? But if you're back, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be giving you guys some tips and tricks on how to use CapCut. And the reason why I'm doing this video today is because too many of y'all have said to me that y'all don't know how to edit y'all videos. And to me, I'm like, huh? How? What? Literally, there's so much information out on the internet. You should be able to know how to edit your videos. But I ain't even gonna shame, because some people's teaching styles, you know, I know for me, when I watch people's TikTok and I try to learn something, or when I watch on YouTube, I have to watch it 10 times. So maybe it's their teaching styles, and maybe y'all just need to get it from me. And this is gonna be my new little series, so I will be doing this every video until my birthday. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna be teaching you tips and tricks until my birthday. Cool, cool. So let's get straight into the video. So you're gonna tap the bottom screen. So basically, the bottom screen where you guys are gonna see it's gonna turn white. You see where it starts turning white and there's gonna be a white bar? That is what you're working out of. That is how you are editing your video. So anything you wanna do to your video, this will always have to be touched. You always have to touch this for the most parts, to split things, to add animations and things like that. You need to touch that bar, right? So let's go over and we're gonna scroll to the right, and it's gonna say transcript-based editing. So we're gonna hit transcript-based editing, and we're gonna wait, and it's going to get, once it gets done, you'll see. Hold on. Okay, boom. So let me pause it. So first things first, paragraph 1, you see all of that? That's dead air. That's dead air that we don't need to be there. So we are going to do what? Hit it, tap it, and then hit delete. So now paragraph 1 goes to this.
Okay, so basically this is
that, you see that? What do we need that for?
Okay, so basically this is what I'm gonna teach you guys. So first things first is gonna be how to do the
we don't need all that space. So we're gonna do delete. We're gonna go here and delete. We're gonna go to the other one, delete. So now let's run it back.
Okay, so basically this is what I'm gonna teach you guys. So first things first is gonna be how to do the
I'm gonna show you guys something now. So you see how I'm pausing all that what?
Okay, wait, hold on. Shit. Fuck. Okay.
So now what we're gonna do is just go like this, okay? We're gonna go like this. All I did was, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. All I'm doing is, all I'm doing is tapping on it, and then you see the little blue bars. That means you can pull it, right? And it'll do like that. And all you gotta do is hit delete. It does it for you, right?
So first things first is gonna be how to do the, okay, so this is what I'm gonna teach you guys. The first thing I'm gonna teach you guys is how to cut out dead space. So if you are about to say something, you forgot to say something, or whatever the case is, or you just did a long pause, I'm gonna show you guys how to cut that out. I mean, because like,
okay, so now we're gonna delete all this out. Remember, you can do this. You can delete all the stuff out that you need. If you feel like all of that whole paragraph you don't want it no more, you can delete it. You can delete all of it, but you don't got to. So first of all, we got to go back up here, because this right here we don't need. We don't need this. We don't need the paragraph 2. We don't need paragraph 2's the first part of paragraph 2. We don't need that. We just need one.
So this is what I'm gonna teach you guys. The first thing I'm gonna teach you guys is how to cut out dead space. So if you are about to say something, you forgot to say something, or whatever the case is, or you just did a long pause, I'm gonna show you guys how to cut that out.
And now we're gonna go here and delete. Now we're gonna go here and delete that them seconds. I mean, because if you want to keep that in, you can, but I'm gonna delete it. So cut that out.
Cut that out. Like I said, nobody wants to just sit on your video and be there just watching.
Let's delete that. And
video and be there just watching your video, and it's a whole bunch of dead space, and they gotta see you think. What's was I gonna say next? I don't know, nobody wanna see you.
Boom, let's delete that.
Yeah, so anyways, like I was saying, let's get into the video. This is definitely me acting, but this is gonna help me show you guys how to edit this video. Cool.
Alright, now let's play it all together. It should all come together.
Okay, so basically, this is what I'm gonna teach you guys. So this is what I'm gonna teach you guys. The first thing I'm gonna teach you guys is how to cut out dead space. So if you are about to say something, you forgot to say something, or whatever the case is, or you just did a long pause, I'm gonna show you guys how to cut that out. Like I said, nobody wants to just sit on your video and be there just watching your video and it's a whole bunch of dead space and they gotta see you think. Let's get into the video. This is definitely me acting, but this is gonna help me show you guys how to edit this video. Cool.
So to add captions, you need to go all the way back and be on the main screen so you can see text. As you can see, text is next to overlay. You're going to hit text and then you're going to see auto captions. And while it's generating, you can look and see if you want to pick some features. You know, if you only want the voiceover for the video or the voiceover, it's your option. You have options to choose from. They don't got a lot of free. They have a lot of free ones, but then they have more pro ones. Of course, they want to make their money. But yes, you have plenty of options, and then you just generate it like so. Sorry guys, I'm sitting on my patio literally doing this, and my neighbor's dogs are just going crazy, so forgive me. But yeah, so you have the option to delete the clips. Like when you do the captions, it'll let you know when you're like using filler words and you know, so those are filler words, and you can delete them, or you can just delete them out the video completely, or just delete the caption. It's your choice. Alrighty, so then you have the option to style it, right? You can change it up. Even though you generated it like that, you can hit style where it says the 2 A's at the bottom, AA, and then style. Once you select that, you'll be able to see those same templates. It's already pre-made. They have pro and they have free ones. Cool. But you can also go to fonts. You can change the font. You can make your own template if you want to. So you can change the font here if you want to. I love modern. You can change the color if you go over on style. Like you swipe right, you can change the color to whatever color you want to change it to. Once you hit effects, it'll let you see all the different effects. You know what I'm saying? Basically, like, you know, luminous, if it's like a big background, you know, all that good stuff. Y'all be able to play with it. And then you can come here and search through the captions and make your own situation. You know what I'm saying? And like, if you're still here watching this video, then I would definitely suggest you hit the subscribe button so you can learn some more tips and tricks like this. I'm gonna be posting every week new tips, tricks, and also vlogs. So yeah, hit the subscribe button so you can learn a few more tips. Honestly, I just really want to help y'all. Like, I know how it is. I know how it felt. I've been there before. So this is what I'm going to teach you guys. The first thing I'm going to teach you guys is how to cut out dead space. So if you were about to say something, you forgot to say something, or whatever the case is, or you just did a long pause, I'm going to show you guys how to cut that out. Like I said, nobody wants to just sit on your video and be there just watching your video and it's a whole bunch of dead space and they gotta see you think. Let's get into the video. This is definitely me acting, but this is gonna help me show you guys how to edit this video. Cool. What's up, lovelies? Okay, so that's gonna wrap up today's episode of learning how to edit in CapCut 101 with Zoe. You guys, I hope that you guys are able to grasp what I was trying to say, and I hope I wasn't talking too fast. I tried to talk as slow as possible. Y'all know I talk too fast. Stay tuned. Tomorrow I will be doing 2 more editing tutorials. I don't know what I'm doing, but check the community tab and I will be posting later on tonight, probably about 9 p.m. exactly what I'm going to be teaching you guys. Comment and let me know what you need to learn and what you don't know how to do. If there's a certain effect that you've seen somebody do, let me know and I will add that to the series. In the meantime, in between time, I love y'all. Bye.